Alright, this video is going to be how to draw a koala bear. So I had one of my students request this one. So this is what we're going to do. Get your paper and you're going to hold it vertical. Please draw light. I'm going to switch. Please draw light so that way when you erase, the lines go away. And I'm going to draw with a Sharpie so that way you see the lines when I draw, but you draw with a pencil. Alright, so the first shape that we are going to do is we're going to draw a smiley face. Alright, so right here about in the middle of your paper, I'm going to draw a smiley face, just like that. Okay? On each side of the smiley face, you're going to do a sideways letter V. So there's that one and that way. Okay? Next shape you're going to do, curved line going out. Same on this side, curved line going out. Okay, next line, another letter V on both sides. So whatever we do on the left side, we're doing on the right side. Okay, then you're going to go up, curved line going up, curved line going up, and then a frown face to connect. Make sure you touch both curved lines like that. So please use a pencil and draw light, barely touch your paper, so if you mess up the lines will go away. And then you can pause the video and catch up if I'm going too fast. Alright, next shape we're going to do is inside the ears. So put your pencil right down here and you're going to make a curved line. Okay, same on the other side. I'm going to put my pencil right here. I'm going to go up and make a curved line. Okay, next line. 1, 2, 3. Same on this side. Put your pencil right here. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Next shape we're going to do, big nose. Tall upside down letter U. And then you connect. So there's the koala's nose. Okay. Put your pencil in the middle, right here where the curved line is. Go to the left, make a small smiley face. Go to the right, make a small smiley face, and then I'll go down 2 little hooks like that. Alright. For the eyes, I'm going to do a letter C right here, and then I'm going to do a backwards letter C right there. So whatever you do on the left side, you do on the right side, and that is called symmetry. Whatever you do on the left, you do on the right. Okay. Next line that we're going to do is do a curved line like that, and then a curved line on this side. Okay. Now I'm going to close for the pupils. We're going to do a curved line going in here, curved line going in, and then a small circle inside. Keep that white when you color it. Okay. Next shape that we are going to draw, the next line. Put your pencil right here, and you're going to do a curved line going out to the right, and then in. Okay. Now we're going to do his legs right here. You're going to do a big letter C right there. So this one might be a little hard for you to follow, so please pause the video if I'm going too fast. Please draw light on your paper, that way if you mess up you can erase and catch up. Alright, the branch, the tree that he is sitting on. Put your pencil right here at the bottom of this letter C and you go straight across and make sure you connect that line, touch that line. Okay? Now this line, if you follow it, you pick up your pencil and go to the other side of the leg. And then go straight across and stop. Okay, you're going to do a curved line, letter C shape, do another one, and then connect to the koala bear's face. Okay, give it 2 little nails, which is upside down V or sideways V, up and down. Okay, same down here, the paws. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to give this one 3 nails. So this one I gave 2 because the other finger is on the other side. Alright, next shape. So this line here, if you follow with your pencil, pick up your pencil and go to the other side, follow, pick up your pencil and go to the other side, and then continue the branch. Okay? Now we're going to do an oval shape right here. Oval shape. Do some textured lines inside, some little squiggly lines that have texture. Okay, now this branch you can do whatever shape you want, but here I went in, out, in, because you don't want, it's an organic shape, so you don't want it to be a straight branch. Okay, I'm going out, and I'm going to do another little oval, do a little wiggly line inside. Okay, now I'm going to do parallel to this line, down, in. Okay, so do whatever line you want. Alright, and the last step we're going to do is some little leaves. So I'm going to give it a little branch going out here. The leaves look like little footballs. So you do a smiley face, frown face, smiley face, frown face, and then one over here. So I'm going to do a small skinny branch, and then do like small little footballs for the leaves. And there is your koala bear. So go ahead and get your color pencils or your crayons or markers, whatever you use to color. Try to do lights and darks. So the browns, oh, I did some texture lines inside the branch. So let's do some wiggly lines, whichever direction you want, swirls, just to make it look like it's a branch. And then color, light browns, dark browns, and then inside I did some light pink. And so go ahead and color your koala bear. Hopefully you had fun drawing this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and look for more videos on how to draw with lines and shapes.